Today, we are diving into an exciting update about the highly anticipated Nikon Z5 II. This new mirrorless camera is expected to make its debut in April 2025, bringing with it a host of improvements and advanced features that will redefine what an entry-level full-frame camera can offer. If you're a photography or videography enthusiast, this update is going to be a game-changer. Enhanced sensor and image quality. At the core of the Nikon Z5 II lies a powerful 24.5 megapixel full-frame backside illuminated BSI CMOS sensor. This marks a significant leap from the original Z5, as BSI technology optimizes light capture, leading to superior low-light performance and increased dynamic range. Expect richly detailed images, even in challenging lighting conditions. This balance of resolution and file size makes it a perfect choice for professionals and hobbyists alike, providing high-quality imagery without the burdensome file storage issues associated with ultra-high-resolution cameras. Next-gen image processing with Expeed X7 One. Of the most notable upgrades in the Nikon Z5 II is the integration of the latest Expeed X7 image processor. This cutting-edge processor ensures lightning-fast image processing, minimizes noise at higher ISO levels, and significantly boosts camera responsiveness. Users will experience reduced shutter lag, quicker startup times, and smoother handling of complex shooting scenarios. Additionally, color reproduction has been refined, enhancing tonal gradation and making your images pop with lifelike vibrancy and detail. Advanced autofocus system. The Nikon Z5 II is set to feature an improved 273-point hybrid autofocus AF system. This state-of-the-art AF mechanism combines both phase detection and contrast detection technology, delivering precise and rapid focusing across the entire frame. With real-time eye AF and animal detection AF, capturing sharp portraits and wildlife photography has never been easier. Whether you're freezing a fast-moving subject or tracking a dynamic scene, this camera ensures that you never miss a moment. Upgraded video capabilities. For videographers, the Nikon Z5 II brings a host of improvements that elevate its video performance. The camera is expected to support 4K UHD recording at 30 frames per second, FPS, without the restrictive crop factor found in its predecessor. This enables full-frame video capture, providing a broader field of view and enhanced creative flexibility. Additionally, Full HD recording at 120 FPS will allow for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage, perfect for cinematic sequences and action shots. Superior in-body image stabilization, IBIS. Handheld shooting is about to get much easier with the inclusion of a 5-axis in-body image stabilization, IBIS system. This feature minimizes camera shake across 5 different axes, ensuring crisp and blur-free images even at slower shutter speeds. For videographers, this means steadier handheld recordings without the need for bulky gimbals or stabilizers. IBIS is especially useful for low-light scenarios and telephoto shooting, where stability is crucial. User-friendly interface and display. The Nikon Z5 II is rumored to sport a high-resolution 3.69 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder, EVF. This crisp and vibrant EVF will allow photographers to frame their shots with accuracy, even in bright outdoor conditions. Complementing this is a 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen LCD, providing flexibility for high and low-angle shooting. The touch interface also simplifies navigation through menus and settings, offering an intuitive shooting experience. Expanded storage and connectivity options. To cater to professional workflows, the Nikon Z5 II is expected to feature dual UHS-2 SD card slots. This provides ample storage space, while also enabling instant backup or overflow recording. On the connectivity front, the camera will support built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, ensuring seamless image transfers and remote control functionalities via smart devices. Additionally, USB-C charging with power delivery, PD support, will allow for convenient on-the-go charging, making sure you never run out of power during long shooting sessions. Anticipated release date and pricing. Although official confirmation is still pending, the Nikon Z5 II is expected to launch in April 2025, placing it within the entry-level full-frame mirrorless category. Given the extensive enhancements and new features. The price point might see a slight increase over its predecessor, yet it will remain highly competitive within its segment. Nikon aims to strike a balance between affordability and high performance, ensuring that the Z5 II appeals to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Final thoughts. The Nikon Z5 II is shaping up to be a groundbreaking addition to Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup. With improvements in sensor quality, processing speed, autofocus precision, video recording, and stabilization, this camera is built to meet the evolving needs of photographers and content creators. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, fast-paced action shots, or high-quality videos, the Z5 II is poised to deliver exceptional results. As we await the official announcement, excitement continues to build around this upcoming release. Stay tuned for more updates and be sure to subscribe to Technology in the Future for the latest insights into the world of cameras, gadgets, and future technology.